Good morning, Facebook and YouTube. I'm your host, Jeffrey Howells Carpet Cleaning, and we got ourselves another good one today. We're doing some green carpet cleaning, and what we've got in here, whenever someone is moving into another place, they always, when you're having to deal with someone else's dirt, it's always terrible. As far as, at least the customer was honest on the phone. They called me and told me it was really bad. And I think we're going to be able to restore all of this pretty good. I'm not sure what that stuff is there. It's a spill of some kind. Who knows? Maybe it's blood. I have no idea. We haven't gotten to it yet. I'm hoping that it looks like it's coagulated a little bit, but I have absolutely no idea what that could possibly be. Maybe a little urine there. And the rest of the rooms are kind of the same. That one's not too bad, but what I'm going to be doing, since this is the restoration, after I do a very good thorough vacuum, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to bring up the 175 with a red pad and just give everything a real good scrub. Of course, I'm going to be using our very green carpet cleaning solutions. Might beef it up a little bit with a little bit of high pH like grease remover, because I have no idea what is in this carpets, if they've ever been cleaned or anything like that. So typically I don't like going high pH on anything, but in this situation I think for restoration purposes it's probably going to be better than not. So here we go.